Hello, I'm Seema. For the following question, choose the option that best replaces the underlined portion of the question. Our question is, each will be within trading distance of all the others and will be able to strike them. Option number 4 is correct as this phrase expresses the thought more compactly than option number 1 and 2. So they are incorrect. Option number 3 changes the meaning of the original sentence, hence it is wrong. Option number 4 with the compact expression is the correct answer. Our answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. For the following question, choose the option that best replaces the underlined portion of the question. Our question is, while everyone continues to hope for their survival, it is unlikely that the astronauts could have made it back to the shelter before the power plant exploded. Option number 2 changes the meaning to a discussion of what the astronauts were doing rather than an assessment of their possible survival. Hence, it is wrong. Options 3 and 4 change the time of the explosion in relation to the return of the astronauts. Hence, they are wrong. So, we get option number 1 as our correct choice. Answer is option 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. For the following question, choose the option that best replaces the underlined portion of the question. Our question is, authors of the 17th century used alliteration to both refine their writing and increase a listener's pleasure. Now for the solution. The alliteration is here the commencement of adjacent or closely connected words with same sound or letters. In option number 1, the structure should have been alliteration both to refine and to increase. As it fails to repeat two in parallel structure, misplaces the modifier both here, it becomes incorrect. Option number 2 and 3 needlessly substitute utilized for the shorter and simpler used, as in the original statement here. So, they become wrong. Option number 4 is the only correct option left. So, we have answer as option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. For the following question, choose the option that best replaces the underlined portion of the question. Only option number 2 here is our correct choice. Let's see why all others are wrong. In option number 1, they have used have, which is not correct because size here is singular and after that has should have been used, not have. So this is incorrect. Here in option number 3, after dropped, they have used down, which is not correct. Same has been with option 4. So we see that our option number 2 is the only correct answer. Hope you understood. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. For the following question, choose the option that best replaces the underlined portion of the question. This is a misplayed modified error and option number 1 is our correct answer. Answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.